Welcome to Car Studio, your one-stop destination for everything automotive. If you're passionate about cars, SUVs, and the future of mobility, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest auto news and reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most trusted names in the MPV segment, the all-new 2026 Toyota Innova. For decades, the Toyota Innova has set benchmarks in practicality, comfort, and reliability. And now, for 2026, Toyota is taking the Innova to a whole new level, both in terms of design and technology. What was once a purely utilitarian family mover has now become a modern, stylish, and tech-savvy premium MPV. The 2026 Toyota Innova comes with a fresh new design language that looks bold yet sophisticated. The front grille has grown larger, finished in gloss black with chrome surrounds, and is flanked by sleek full LED headlights with new integrated DRLs. The bumper gets sportier lines and the overall proportions are more SUV-inspired, giving it a more aggressive road presence. On the sides, you'll notice sculpted character lines, a floating roof design, and redesigned alloy wheels, now up to 18 inches in the top variants. The rear also gets an overhaul, with sharp new LED taillights, a revised tailgate, and a subtle spoiler that adds to the Innova's new urban identity. Step inside, and the 2026 Innova feels like a completely different machine. Toyota has moved away from the functional layout of the past and embraced a more premium and tech-focused interior. The cabin now features soft-touch materials, ambient lighting, and a new dashboard design with a massive 10.1-inch floating touchscreen. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and is paired with a digital instrument cluster and a premium JBL sound system in higher trims. Toyota has also focused on improving passenger comfort. The second row now features captain seats with powered recline, a foldable tray table, and individual climate controls. The third row has been redesigned to offer better legroom and easier access. Ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, wireless phone charging, multiple USB-C ports, and a powered tailgate further enhance the premium experience. Under the hood, the biggest change is the shift to Toyota's TNGA platform and the adoption of a hybrid powertrain. The 2026 Innova is powered by a 2.0-liter petrol engine paired with Toyota's self-charging hybrid Synergy drive system. This setup delivers around 186 horsepower, excellent fuel efficiency, close to 22 km/h, and smooth, silent performance, especially in city traffic. The transition to a front-wheel drive layout also means a more spacious cabin, improved ride comfort, and better fuel economy. Toyota has clearly aimed the new Innova not just at fleet buyers, but also at families who want a comfortable long-distance cruiser that doesn't compromise on looks or features. In terms of safety, Toyota has equipped the 2026 Innova with its latest Toyota Safety Sense suite. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera. Combine that with multiple airbags, ABS, EBD, vehicle stability control, and ISOFIX mounts, and you've got one of the safest MPVs in its class. The 2026 Toyota Innova will be available in multiple variants, including petrol-only and hybrid options. Pricing is expected to start from around $26,000 or 80 Pakistani rupees minus 85 lakh, with higher-end hybrid variants crossing $32,000 depending on the market. To sum it up, the new Toyota Innova has matured into a modern MPV that blends SUV-like design, hybrid efficiency, and Toyota's signature reliability. It's more premium, more tech-loaded, and more family-friendly than ever before, making it an ideal upgrade for anyone looking for a stylish 7-seater. That wraps up today's video. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2026 Toyota Innova, don't forget to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe to Car Studio and turn on notifications for more car reviews, upcoming launches, and all things auto. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.